Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, July 14th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Uh, we had a mildly crappy day today. Let's just say it was mild, not as bad as yesterday. The Dow gained 557 points. You can see what yesterday we had it gained over 500 points here and then lost it the last 2 hours. We gained all that back and actually took out the high from yesterday. So from a technical standpoint, the Dow looks very solid, but the problem, as I talked about yesterday, just as in this big run up that we had here, from the low last Thursday to the high yesterday, we lost money on that run up, and I said that's, to me, is symptomatic of weakness in the stocks, and symptomatic of there's a lot of selling going on, profit taking, and even accumulation of short positions. Similar situation today. We had big run up, 557 points, and we closed out negative $6,800, and we only got into 5 positions. That's pretty weak for 500 point plus run. We were 5 for 5, but all 5 of those positions were positive, but 4 of them are all positive for under $1,000, and the other one that's over $1,000 is just over $1,000. So we ended up with positive 3,900 on those 5 positions. So that's kind of a weak response to a 557 point run. So I continue to be somewhat pessimistic, uh, and feel there is weakness in this market, some anticipation that it could really sell off here. And I'm not a wizard with a crystal ball, but that recently these stocks are not giving me a real good feeling. Let's just put it that way. And significantly, the only trade I have to show you that's good is, in effect, a short position on the overall market. This is UVXY ProShares short on the overall market, and we had bought that yesterday, last hour. This is a beautiful trade. I bought actually 2 of these, doubled up on the position. We actually had 3,000 shares of this, but doubled up and got out here. A perfect exit right here at the top before it started selling out, and we took out $8,300 out of UVXY. But that was it. All the other stuff really smelled. So I'm not overly happy, but we could, like I say, hey, look, we closed out $6,800, and we have $3,900 positive open trade. So that's hardly a disastrous day, but it's just we're having all this volatility in the Dow, and we're getting nothing of that in the stocks we trade. So hang on, we'll see what happens. Trader Bob is signing off. See you tomorrow on Wednesday.